So hello aviation lovers, very good evening to all guys. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys, today we'll be discussing about the Indigo Airlines latest update for the ground staff vacancy. Guys, a lot of people are having queries that this vacancy is for the freshers. So yes guys, this vacancy are absolutely for freshers. Guys, ये vacancy freshers के लिए है. बात करते हैं next चीज के बारे में. क्या ये इंटरव्यू वॉक इन इंटरव्यू है? तो हाँ गाइस, एब्सोल्युटली दिस इंटरव्यू इज अ वॉक इन इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल. नाउ बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट चीज के बारे में कि वैकेंसी कब है वॉक इन इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल, व्हाट इज द मिनिमम एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड सबसे, और क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, सैलरी कितनी होगी, इंटरव्यू कब होगी, नौकरी कहां पे करनी पड़ेगी, ट्रेनिंग कब होगी, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग हम डिस्कस करेंगे गाइस इस वीडियो में. तो गाइस अगर चैनल पे नए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दें. गाइस एक चीज और, डेली रात के 10 से 11 बजे के बीच में मैं YouTube में लाइव आता हूं, तो आई कैन क्लियर योर डाउट्स, एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट्स, आई कैन इजीली क्लियर योर एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट्स. ओके गाइस, तो आई गेस आपको समझ में आ चुका होगा. गाइस एक चीज और की टेलीग्राम का लिंक दिया डिस्क्रिप्शन में, फटाफट से आपको टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन करना है ताकि आपको मिल सके जॉब की लेटेस्ट अपडेट. गाइस वन मोर थिंग कि जितना जल्दी आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट मिलेगी उतना आप एडवांटेज में रहोगे और उतनी जल्दी आपकी जॉब लग पाएगी. ओके, तो नाउ डिस्कस करते हैं कि वैकेंसी कब आई है, कहां पे आई है, ये सारी की सारी चीजें. तो गाइस वैकेंसी सर्च करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, दैट यू हैव टू ओपन अ गूगल क्रोम खोलने के बाद गाइस यू हैव टू राइट Indigo Param. Guys, as you click on the Indigo Param, you can see lot of things, right? Near Chhattisgarh. So guys, there is nothing like that. These are the fake jobs, so you no need to click here. यहाँ पे click नहीं मारना है आपको. You have to click here at Indigo Param. So guys, as we click on Indigo Param, this is guys Indigo Airlines official web page. Right here you can see lot of new vacancies. So guys, today we'll be discussing about the latest new vacancies, when is the interview scheduled, each and everything. Okay. So now बात करते हैं वैकेंसी कहाँ के लिए आई, कौन कौन से बेसिस के लिए आई है. So guys, the first vacancy which has came is for the Chennai base. So Chennai people, if you are watching this video guys, this vacancy is for you. Now discuss the next thing. Where is the next base? Guys, next base is Hyderabad base. So guys, Hyderabad people, those people who are living in Hyderabad guys, this is a very good opportunity for you all, because Indigo Airlines are again conducting walk-in interviews at Chennai, Hyderabad. Now coming to the next thing. The next interview is for the guys Darbhanga base, which is situated at Bihar. Now coming to the next thing is that next interview is for the Bangalore guys. So those people who are from Bangalore guys, be ready. The vacancy, Indigo Airlines has released the vacancy for the ground staff for customer service, ramp and security department. Now coming next thing, one more new vacancy is guys, is that this vacancy is for the guys Raipur base. So guys, I belong to Raipur, and if you also want to crack the airlines interview guys, this is very good opportunity for all the girls, boys, female, male, freshers, experience, each and everyone. Next vacancy is guys for the Aswal base, right, which is released 9 hours before, right? So ये सारी की सारी चीजें guys. So these are the few locations where the interview will take place. Now coming to one more, जो Jorhat base. So guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So guys, there are 7 new places where the Indigo Airlines are again conducting back-to-back interviews. So guys, before carrying the video further, guys, one more thing is that ki this is Aviation Life official page Instagram, so आपको you have to follow this page. Next thing is that guys, I am an interview coach and I used to give coaching to those students, those who want to make their dream come true in airlines industry. Guys, till now from our coaching institute 143 लोग total select हो चुके हैं. Total 143 selections we have within 1 year guys, and all the students, all the people those who are working in airlines industry are my students. Now coming next thing is that guys, हम लोग के लिए resume बनाते हैं. We used to make resume with 100% guaranteed shortlist, and guys, our coaching is India's first online coaching by an ex-Airlines employee. Guys, you can see that a lot of students have already cracked a lot of airlines interview, and they have already shared their interview experience. You can watch the reels. You can see how students have cracked the interview and how they are sharing giving their feedbacks and all. This is my brother, and I make him join Indigo Airlines because he wanted to make his dream come true. You can see Abhijit is also there. Lot of people are there, right? So guys, you can see, I guess one video has gone viral. This video has gone viral. So do go through, and guys, if you want, so you can see this videos, है ना? Right? Okay, now discuss करते हैं next चीज के बारे में guys, कि the guys admissions have started for the 8 May crash course, right? So guys, if you want the online coaching, अगर आपको घर बैठे-बैठे तैयारी करनी है, घर बैठे-बैठे आप ground staff के इंटरव्यू की तैयारी करना चाहते हैं, if you want to prepare for the ground staff interview, cabin crew interview, guys, Aviation Life is the best platform, and guys, I will make you coach. I will make you ready for any kind of situation or any kind of interview. Guys, I myself, I have cracked 6 ground staff interview and 1 cabin crew interview. So guys, and till now from our crash course, we have 143 selection, and out of those also, some people are working in airlines industry. Some of people are working in airlines industry as a cabin crew also and a ground staff also. Guys, one more thing, some are also working in international airlines in Qatar Airways. So you can watch the interview experience on the I button. So guys, we also charge certain amount of fees, right? Ground staff fees is guys 3,000 rupees, and cabin crew fees is guys 3,500 rupees, which we used to charge because certain amount of needed certain amount of money which we used to charge because we just only want serious candidates, right? So guys, I will personally coach you, teach you, tell the secret strategy how I cracked it, and I will make you coach, I will make you prepare. और guys, you can also watch demo videos, आप demo videos भी देख सकते हैं, right? एक चीज और guys, आपको यहाँ पे जो है ये मेरा WhatsApp नंबर है, जिसमें पर्सनल WhatsApp मैसेज नंबर. So if you want to join the crash course, यहाँ पे आपको मैसेज भेजना है, write your name, right? आपको नाम लिखना है, write your name, date of birth, right, and city which you live. Do write the things and write one more message that I want to join crash course, that I want to join the crash course. Do write this messages, and guys, I will be giving, my team will be giving you a call, and they will be clarifying each and everything, and they will be helping you in the joining process of the courses, right? So guys, this is a, and guys, you can see that again Rashmi has again cracked the interview for Air India, right? So a lot of students have cracked the interview. You can watch our YouTube videos, guys. I button आपको जरूर देखना है, ठीक है? और guys, एक चीज और यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि we are providing India's most affordable crash course because a lot of students they used to face problem. This is our official web page, and guys, अब आपको बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप घर बैठे बैठे इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर सकते हैं. और इंटरव्यू कोचिंग के लिए आपको बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोचिंग यहाँ पे घर में आ चुका है, राइट? ओके, तो घर में आ चुकी है कोचिंग एविएशन लाइव की, घर बैठे बैठे तैयारी करनी है और निकालना है इंटरव्यू. गाइस, एक चीज और, आपको कोई भी एकेडमी ऐसी जगह ज्वाइन नहीं करना है, एनी इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन नहीं करना जहां पे आपको 1 लाख रुपए के आसपास फीस मांगी जाए, 1 लाख से 2 लाख रुपए के आसपास फीस मांगी जाए, तो वहां पे आपको ज्वाइन नहीं करना है बिकॉज पैसा बर्बाद है गाइस, पैसा वेस्ट है, राइट? इट्स पैसा वेस्ट, right? So mother father, those who are watching, don't allow your chaps students to make them join this kind of institute because that's absolutely wasted of money, right? Okay, now discussing vacancy के बारे में. तो if you scroll down you can see, right? Okay, let's check the highest qualification क्या है. तो guys, इसकी highest qualification जो okay, highest qualification is guide is clearly mentioned that they are hiring minimum graduates. Graduate कम से कम is a qualification रहनी चाहिए आपकी, right? Age is guys 18 to 27 which is required. No visible tattoo, it's clearly mentioned. Airport operation is preferred. अगर airport operation नहीं है तो भी guys they will be definitely going to select you, right? So guys, these are the documents which you have to carry this time. This is new things which have been changed. आपको डॉक्यूमेंट लेके जाना है, पासपोर्ट लेके जाना है गाइस. पासपोर्ट यू हैव टू कैरी पासपोर्ट 2019 ऑनवर्ड्स, और लेटेस्ट पुलिस क्लियरेंस सर्टिफिकेट, क्लियरेंस लेटर, ये भी आप चाहो तो ले जा सकते हो अगर पासपोर्ट नहीं है तो, राइट? यू हैव टू कैरी योर पैन कार्ड, यू हैव टू कैरी आधार कार्ड विद डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्लियरली मेंशन, ये आपको लेके जाना है. यू हैव टू आल्सो कैरी डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट, ओनली ग्रेजुएट विद डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट्स आर एलिजिबल, सो गेट ये लेके जाना है. और अगर आपका ऑडी एविएशन एक्सपीरियंस है देन यू नीड अ रिलीविंग लेटर, एपी सरेंडर कॉपी एंड लेटेस्ट पे स्लिप. तो ये सारी की सारी गाइस डॉक्यूमेंट आपको हर इंटरव्यू में लेके जाना ही है. Okay, when is the interview scheduled? So guys, interview scheduled at 13th of May. So guys, all the Chennai people, those who are watching this interview, 13th May the interview scheduled. Guys, one more thing is that कि आपको guys करना है registration. Do registration, you have to click on apply now button and you have to fill the form. ये फॉर्म भरना है guys. If there's 100 like, I will be making one more videos on how to fill the form online and that will be very much helpful for you. Right? बात करते हैं क्या ये फ्रेशर की हायरिंग है? तो guys, हाँ, ये हायरिंग जो है ये एब्सोल्युटली फ्रेशर के लिए है बिकॉज एक्सपीरियंस जो मांग रहे हैं वो है 0 to 7 years. गाइस, 0 year का एक्सपीरियंस मतलब क्या होता है? 0 year मींस होता है गाइस फ्रेशर. So guys, Indigo Airlines is hiring fresher guys, है ना? फ्रेशर की हायरिंग चल रही है, ठीक है? Okay, so when is the interview scheduled? So guys, interview scheduled है, क्या बोलते हैं? Interview scheduled at 13th of May को interview scheduled है at, I guess, okay, एक चीज और guys, I myself have cracked 6 rounds of interview, so I have also cracked the Chennai based interview. So you can click on the I button, you can watch the videos of my interview experience at Chennai base. Timing is 9:30 to 10:30, Park Plaza, Chennai, Toraipakkam. I guess I know this venue because I have already cleared this interview. Earlier, when I was working in the before when I was working in the airlines industry, I have gone to Chennai and I have cracked the Chennai-based interview, guys. Okay, now discuss करते हैं next हैदराबाद. तो guys, हैदराबाद का इंटरव्यू मैंने निकाल रखा है. देखो तो इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल्ड है guys हैदराबाद में at 10 May is the interview scheduled and the hotel is I guess Radisson Blue. Okay, Lemon Tree है ना, तो चेंज हो गया ना guys, होटल जो है चेंज हो गया. But earlier when I cracked the interview, the airlines was the hotel venue was different, but yeah, it's very long time, right? So guys, I'm also having a working experience and I can tell you the lot of secrets which HR is looking for. I can also tell you what kind of things, what kind of answers, what kind of response they are looking for. Guys, I have cracked 6 rounds of interview and don't tell anyone that I've also cracked 1 cabin crew interview. That will be very much helpful for you to get a knowledge and to easily crack the airlines interview. So guys, the next interview scheduled at 10 May was scheduled at 9:30 to 10:30 AM. The venue is Lemon Tree and Premier, High Tech City, plot number 2, survey number 64, High Tech City. मध्यापुर हैदराबाद, ठीक है। एंड गाइस ये हायरिंग जो हो रही है रैम सिक्योरिटी कस्टमर सर्विस सारे डिपार्टमेंट की हायरिंग हो रही है। ओके नाउ डिस्कस करते हैं नेक्स्ट, राइट। नेक्स्ट वैकेंसी है बैंगलोर दरभंगा। नेक्स्ट थिंग इधर की वॉक इंटरव्यू अगेन शेड्यूल बैंगलोर में 12 मई को गाइस जो है शेड्यूल है वॉक इंटरव्यू। मिनिमम ग्रेजुएशन इज द requirement and it's clearly mentioned undergraduate pursuing graduation final awaiting result diploma are not eligible, we need certificate, graduation certificate guys, ठीक है। ओके नीचे आ सकते हैं दुर्गापुर और कहाँ तक की वैकेंसी आई है, इंदौर ईयर हो गया, जोरहट दुर्गापुर एज वेल रायपुर बेस्ड। सो गाइस ऑल द रायपुरियंस those who are watching this video, this vacancy is also for you, you can also apply. And guys you can also watch a lot of my students, total 3 students of my coaching, they are working in at Raipur base as a security officer and some are also working as a customer service, so you can also watch their videos. Guys we have a lot of students, lot of students working in airlines industry, so guys you can also watch their videos in I button. And if you're interested to join the crash course, you can send me a WhatsApp message in my number, that is 7999508444. Admissions has already started, so only serious candidates are we will be entertaining them. So if you're interested, you can send a WhatsApp message, right? You can write your name, नाम लिखो, अपना नाम लिखो, नाम, name, date of birth and city you belong. Do write all these kind of things and my counseling team will be contacting you. Only serious candidates guys. I am having 8 year of interview experience जो कि आपको इतनी help करेगा, that will be helping you to make your interview cracked in one attempt. So guys, this was all about the video. Let's meet at another video. There was a bit delay because I used to give coaching. I was giving coaching from the past continuous 5 to 6 hours, and as soon as I got a time, मैं तुरंत जो है वीडियो बनाया अपलोड कर दिया, ठीक है। तो ये सारी की सारी चीजें, तो गाइस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को दबाइए, 10 बजे मैं लाइव आ रहा हूँ, राइट। एंड डू आस्क डाउट्स एंड क्वेरीज, एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट्स एंड क्वेरीज यू हैव, डू कमेंट इट डाउन, विल रेक्टिफाई इट। And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget, if you're interested, if you want to make it, if you want to join airlines industry anyhow, if you want to crack the next interview, if you're already failing, if you're feeling nervous, if your CV is not getting shortlisted, if you're not able to crack the airlines interview again and again, so guys, this time be ready, your interview will be cracked, right? So guys, this was about the video. Administration started for the 8 May crash course, and all over India I am going to teach only 40 students, and only those students who will be fitting in my eligibility criteria. So guys, this was all about the video. तब तक bye bye, take care, namaskaram guys, jai hind to all, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, bye bye everyone, do enjoy the aviation life guys, bye bye to all, and don't forget to apply in all these bases, bye bye everyone.